Ah, shit. My crops are flooded. It's all the neighbors' fault. And their evil eye. Ah, look at this shit. Fuck you, weather. Revenge of the Lagoon, the sequel. Where is a boat when you need one? Okay, here I am at the bus stop, waiting in the rain. Must get job, must go get job in the frickin' rain. And here I am at the bus station. This big place over here. And here is why I did all this trip. For fake dollars. You heard right, I did all this trip for fake dollars. It's what we Greeks throw in celebrations to pretend still having money. We like to throw around money, but we don't have any, so we just throw these fake ones. And this is an actual job. Hail Grace!